Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lin and right now I'm taking a run down this beautiful and long street surrounded by a lush forest. This road leads straight to Thac Mai. You should pay 50,000 Vietnam dong at ranger station. This is a fee for service of conservation in the forest. In the past, Africa's waterfall or Thac Mai got its name because it used to be filled with oak trees. If you are a backpacker, you will love exploring this scenic woodland path in the Mai province. The air here is so fresh and cool under the big foliages, making it a captivating experience almost like scenes from the movies. Getting to Thac Mai is a breeze. Just hop on the 1A highway from Ho Chi Minh City. Once you reach the Dầu Giang intersection, you turn left onto 20 highway, and you will find the entrance to Thac Mai. Happy exploring! This path is really impressive due to its length. I gave it my best shot riding along, but honestly, I lost track of how far it goes. With all those twists and turns, it's crucial to keep a steady and hand-on the wheel. Eventually, you reach the end of the road. There is this cool little stream crossing it. It's the perfect spot to snap some awesome photos. I am cooking to the Thac Mai Waterfall, and breathtaking views show up. You can see that. Large stones and islets at this part of the river stretch for about 4 kilometers to 4.5 miles, offering beautiful scenery and vantage points of the water. There are some large cracks in the river, which are the ideal size for capturing panoramic photos, and visitors of the sparkling water and waterfalls. During the springtime, bright flowers and fruit grow on trees nearby, adding to the natural ambience. You should be careful when standing on cracks in the middle of the water because the flow is so strong. Although you can swim well, it's not sure that you can survive when you fall down here. Many people visit Thac Mai for camping and fishing. You are able to come here with your friends and your family. I think you will have the best memories here. So now, enjoy the views. Even though this place had the touch of human hands, it still retains its wild beauties. Sometimes I would like to go somewhere within natural landscape for long to review my life. After that, I improve what I am not good and become better in the future. So now, thank you for your watching.